Hi everyone, welcome to speech training. I'm Brooklyn, your instructor for this 12-week program designed to help you express yourself clearly and naturally in English. In this course, as outlined in the curriculum, we'll focus on pronunciation, intonation, fluency, and vocabulary expansion. There are a total of 12 lessons, each carefully designed to help you improve your speaking skills step by step. My husband Vũ and I prepared detailed study materials, vocabulary videos, and in-depth breakdowns of each sentence to help you understand how a native English speaker expresses ideas naturally. Vũ will teach you the new vocabulary and how to pronounce those words. And I will go through the speeches, instructing you how to express them naturally like a native speaker. Throughout the course, each week, we will review the videos you submit and give you personalized feedback to help you improve. From our experience teaching English, we believe this to be one of the most effective ways to develop your speaking skills and build your vocabulary. But the most important factor is your discipline of setting aside time to practice every day. This will make all the difference. Now, one great advantage of learning through videos is that you can re-watch the lessons as many times as you need. This allows you to learn at your own pace and fit practice time into your schedule. You can even try the first lesson for completely free and get the feel of the course to understand how we will interact with each other moving forward. If you're interested in the course or have any questions, please contact us through the Zalo number on our website homepage. All right, we're excited to go on this journey with you. Let's get this started.